Welcome to our guide on the Dodo Webview app. Today, we'll explore how this innovative tool helps you turn any website into a mobile app effortlessly. Dodo Webview app stands out with its user-friendly design, quick conversion process, and support for multiple platforms. The app interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their tech skills, to create an app from their website. Dodo Webview is compatible with various website types, ensuring versatility whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or custom-built sites. Users can personalize their apps with different themes, colors, and layouts, ensuring a unique experience. Performance-wise, Dodo Webview apps load quickly, providing a seamless user experience that keeps visitors engaged. Dodo Webview offers several pricing plans, catering to individual users and businesses, making it accessible for any budget. Compared to its competitors, Dodo Webview provides excellent value through its comprehensive features and affordability. Current users rave about Dodo Webview's simplicity and effective performance, often citing it as their favorite tool for app creation. To sum up, Dodo Webview app provides an exceptional solution for converting websites into apps. Its features, ease of use, and affordability make it a go-to choice in the market.